Now MetaKeys is here to meet all your keyboard needs. With the MetaKeys dial, you can easily switch between wired, wireless, and Bluetooth connections. With customizable keys, you can seamlessly switch between your computer, iPad, and phone at any time. Through the MetaKeys dock station's extended display, it provides you with higher efficiency for your work. MetaKeys uses TTC Silver V2 switches to provide you with a fast and precise typing and gaming experience. MetaKeys supports hot swappable keycaps and switches, so you can customize your keyboard and make it unique at any time.